Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, check the garment label and identify fabric so you pick a safe solvent. Blot the fresh stain with a clean cloth. Press repeatedly to lift ink rather than spread it. Once done, test your chosen solvent, rubbing alcohol, or hand sanitizer on an inconspicuous seam for 30 seconds to confirm color fastness. Make sure to work on the back of the stain when possible to push ink out, and keep paper towels underneath to protect surfaces. You apply the solvent carefully. Place absorbent paper under the stain, then drip 70% isopropyl alcohol or a gel hand sanitizer onto the ink. Use a soft bristled brush or old toothbrush to work from the stain edges toward the center. This prevents spreading. Blot frequently with a clean cloth to lift dissolved ink. Once transfer slows, rinse the treated area under cold water to flush residues. If visible ink remains, repeat the solvent and you finish by laundering the garment following the care label, using an enzyme detergent to break down ink residues. Make sure to air dry only after confirming the stain is gone. Heat will set any remaining ink. For synthetic fabrics, a brief acetone spot test can remove stubborn marks, but use sparingly and ventilate. If the ink persists or fabric is delicate, stop home treatment and take the item to a professional dry cleaner. This prevents permanent damage and gives you expert options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.